Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to superkidsfit. Today we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Stand tall and very still. Feet flat upon the ground. Your arms are by your side. No movement, not a sound. You are a happy mountain beneath the sunny sky, watching the quiet forest as birds go flying by. Balance upon one foot and bring the other high. Extend your arms way up, parallel to the sky. You are a friendly tree with branches wide and long. The gentle summer breeze is singing you a song. Now switch your little feet and balance once again. Reach your long arms above like a helpful green friend. Your leaves are shaking softly. The little birds arrive to build a cozy nest and feel so glad alive. Bend both your knees down low as if you find a seat. Keep arms extended high, parallel and so neat. You are a shiny chair waiting for kids to play, holding a heavy backpack on a bright school day. Kneel down and rest your head, relaxing on the floor. Stretch out your arms in front. Don't worry anymore. You are a tiny snail sleeping inside your shell, listening to the rain and feeling safe and well. On hands and knees you go. Now curve your back and meow. Then look up at the roof and make a sound like cow. A playful little pet moving around the farm, wagging its happy tail away from any harm. Lift up your hips so high, make a big upside down V. Push firmly with your hands as steady as can be. You are a playful pup, stretching your furry back, looking for a fun toy along the garden track. Lie flat upon your tummy and lift your chest up high. Press hands into the floor and look into the sky. You are a clever snake sliding across the ground, hissing a gentle song without a scary sound.
Super Kids, you did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines.